What's up, guys? So this is like attempt 4 at a video the past like couple weeks. I've been super sick. As you can hear, the Rona kicked my butt, and I have like an infection. So I've been just resting a lot and taking medicine, just trying to rest as much as I can. And getting super sick has put a back burner on all my surgery stuff and all that. So that really sucks. Right now we're in a big snowstorm and it's super cold outside. It's going to get negative, 13 degrees tonight? About negative 13 degrees. Right now it's 71 degrees in the van, so it's super warm. But I just wanted to make a quick video and just kind of explain. I've been super sick, and hopefully in the next couple weeks I'll start really feeling better so we can start ramping up videos and going out and exploring more, hopefully. Excuse me. So today we're gonna cook I think we're gonna cook up some rice for dinner in this cold snowstorm, right, Spiky? You want some rice? You want some food? Want dinner?
Of course he wants dinner. He always wants dinner.
This thing's wrong. It's way colder outside. It's only like, I think it's a -3 outside right now, and it's 72 inside. Can you make me rice?
Yes, I'm just drinking my root beer. So instead of taking out the stove and doing it that way, I'm just going to make it easier on ourselves. We're just making rice for tonight, so we're just going to use the Jetboil, and then we just use like the bag rice, which is so nice and easy. And then we're going to open the Max Air fan to make sure that we have ventilation, which you always want to do with a Jetboil. So let's do that. We need quite a bit of water, actually. So we're almost gonna do it. Probably.
I just started watching the show Ozark while I've been sick. So far, it's a decent show. I'm just in season 1, episode 7.
Yeah, we have a few more seasons to go.
So, just like anybody else that's sick at their house, it's the same thing inside a van. Just lay in bed and watch Netflix. Right, Doge?
Hang with the pups.
Hang out with the puppies. Just watch some TV.
So we just season the rice, just very simple, nothing fancy. Salt and pepper. Tastes pretty good, I think. What do you think? All he ever wants is to eat food.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So we just season the rice, just very simple, nothing fancy. Salt and pepper. Tastes pretty good, I think. What do you think? All he ever wants is to eat food.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
We're both going to eat some rice, and we are going to continue to watch some more Ozark before we head to bed. I'm also going to make myself some tea. All right, what do you think so far?
Think of what?
Ozark.
It's all right so far.
That's it?
Yeah, it's all right.
It's just all right.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I think
Gets
it's
better.
too hyped up.
You're only in the first season.
Yeah, we'll see.
Well, what do you guys think?
I think they want their dinner.
Oh, you should not have said that.
Get your mom, not
Why
me.
did you say that?
It's cold in here.
It's getting pretty cold in here.
It's 66 degrees.
So, it's 66 right now. It says it's 2 degrees outside on the outdoor. Yeah. No, it's about negative 2 or 3 right now, I think, right?
That's what it says on our phone app.
Yeah, so.
It says on our phone app it's -3 outside right now.
What else does it say? One of my favorite teas is Earl Grey. It has a lot of caffeine and it's really, really yummy. What I actually like to do is I like to make like tea lattes. So you do Earl Grey and then you do like half water and half milk of your choice. I'm just doing half and half. It makes it like really creamy and really delicious. And then I actually add some sugar-free vanilla to it. And it makes a really, really delicious latte. So I'm going to go ahead and just heat the ingredients, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Ooh, hello. So I've been letting the tea seep in the cream and the water I let it seep for a long time, and I also use 2 tea bags because I really like it strong. But it's been seeping for like 10 minutes, and then I had already added the sugar-free vanilla to it, but it is really, really yummy. If you hear that clicking noise in the background, it's just because we have our diesel heater going. It's pretty cold outside, so we also like to keep the floor a little bit warm for the dogs, especially since I'm about to feed them and stuff. Feed them their dinner and their food.
So it's currently -6 outside. We had the diesel heater running, the top head unit, and it got, it's 75 degrees inside right now.
Toasty.
So, but we're going to end the video here. I'm going to watch some Ozark and go to bed. I'm really tired.
Yeah, and get some rest.
Hopefully, excuse me. Hopefully I'll be feeling better really soon and we can come out with more content and start traveling like we want to. So,
Yeah.
But
It'll be soon.
hopefully. All right, guys. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
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 Bye.